We had a quick stop here at Rangdum. Had some chai, some little rice and a sneaker. Just to put in some energy and sugar. Definitely stopped in this village. Yes, we definitely stopped in this village. Junaji! This road was legit half of this and it was just rocks. Now this is going to be a highway. I remember this. I remember I was standing here and I was starting the video. Don't know how to react. This was a little trail. Now there's a bridge coming up here. Shit. I mean, yeah, great for the people around here. यार कुछ नहीं बचेगा इसके बाद में तो. This place is done. This is done after this point of time. Buddy, only one way to find out, yeah? Go for it. अबे जाना यार. क्यों क्या प्रॉब्लम है? तू अभी तो बोला मैं प्रो हो गया हूँ. I could have really public. Is there no route? I have to go from down, is it? नहीं बराबर है वो रास्ता वैसा है पंक्चर लग रहा है हाँ हाँ बराबर है भाई I can't tell you how heartbroken I am actually to see this. I only wish I didn't come this side. Please go back to my older video. It's called Zanskar to Kargil or something like that. If I can, I'll put up like that I button thing here. हाँ? कहाँ से देंगे भैया? बैग है पीछे।
भाई कुछ करो जुगाड़।
कैसा करेंगे जुगाड़? बैग है इतनी बड़ी पीछे, कहाँ बैठाएंगे आपको?
चलो ठीक है।
ठीक है। There used to be wild horses running here. It was one of my most favorite pictures that I clicked of just stallions grazing around here. यार मतलब 2 साल में तो Zanskar is going to be over. The rawness of Zanskar is going to be over for sure. These roads, I mean, they're great for connectivity and for the people of Zanskar, but it's not going to be wild anymore. Not at all. Look at the size of this road. Holy shit. See, that's what I'm talking about. There were horses in these meadows. Unfortunately, they're still here, but I'm sure in a matter of time they'll be gone. There's a lot of them this time. I'm happy to see that. But Devon is, I don't know, the whole geography of the place has changed. The mountains weren't like this. There was a very, very narrow trail that led to Rangdum. Okay, that was and I finally saw them. Finally saw the horses. Look at how big this road is going to be. Shit, man. The whole adventure is going to be lost. It already kinda is. I mean, this is what it ideally used to be. Yes, I have done this very river crossing. I have ridden this down and up. This is what it used to be. Yes, this. ये भी था यार, ये भी अंदर डाल दिया. Look at this majestic view. Look at the mountains there. Look at the untouched glaciers. If you followed me for a while, you know I've been to the same place. I have a picture here. I made a time lapse here. That glacier on top. So happy to be here too. So happy. I remember I came up from here, sat there, took pictures, took a time lapse. And this was barely this much of a road. This wasn't there. They've cut this through a mountain or a rock. And there's a canal here. But well, I want to show you all the adventure that it last was. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's not a road there. Okay, I have taken a much more muckier way than they did just to get his video. यहाँ पे एक ऐसा स्पॉट था जहाँ पानी रोड पे आ जाता था. Yes, this spot. Oh shit. They ruined everything. You know, you can tell when you're getting closer to Kashmir. I know I have ridden this road. There's a school here, or a school, and there was a chocolate shop ahead where I met some kids. I think it was here only where the shops were. जुले जी, शंकु कितना है यहाँ से?
शंकु यहाँ से 50 किलोमीटर.
50?
40-50 के आसपास.
ओके, ठीक है, थैंक यू.
लगेगा आपको.
ओके. I have no idea how the kilometers increased. Last I asked it was 35, then it became 40, now it's 50. But they point us in the same direction. ठीक है, कोई गल नहीं.